Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript is something strange, a stand in line. Let's see what this is. In computer science, a queue is an abstract data structure where items are kept in order. New items can be added at the back of the queue and old items are taken off from the front of the queue. So we have to write a function next in line which takes an array and a number item as arguments. Add the number to the end of the array, then remove the first element of the array. The next in line function should then return the element that was removed. So let's see next in line array and item. Return item. We have where test array 1 2 3 4 5 display code before json.stringify. Next line यहाँ पर here we change the value and after that what the value is. So let's change. In this case, which takes an array and a number as argument and the number at the end of array, then remove the first element of the array. So simply array arr dot push item and arr dot shift. So what it will do before 1 2 3 4 5, when we add 6, then 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 is removed. So let's run the test. Should return 2. Okay, the next line function should then return the value, the element that was removed. So it should not return item, but instead array dot shift, and here it is returning that. So run the test and it's successful. So download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.